अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। हाउ आर यू ज़ैनब? कैफ़ा हालुकी अंती? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? एम आई ऑडिबल ज़ैनब?
हेलो। यस। बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। वकैफ़ा हालुक आंटी?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिखैरिन वाफ़िया। नाम today we will move in another lesson.
Okay. I and Nida were practicing. The last time there was some query in the exercise of the last chapter.
Okay. So do you want to ask something?
Yes. Um, which exercise was it? Wait a minute. I sent you the paper, and we have decided to discuss it with you. She is not here till now. Wait a minute. Hmm. Yes, there the page number is 281, 271, sorry. There is a tadrib.
271.
Yes, 271. Question number 5.
Yes. في أي فصل هذا الحوار? This one you are talking
Uh,
about?
uh, Page number 271, there is the question number 5. Wait a minute, मैं इसको देख लूँ.
270
ये the number 5. Yes, yes, the same page and number 5. इला आइना सयज़हबु हाजिम व खालिद. तो वी वर डिस्कसिंग कि यहाँ पे जब दो बंदों की बात हो रही है तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने सायज़हबू वर्ड यूज किया है, तो इनको इन्होंने दो बंदों वाला जो फाइल हमें फेल यूज करना चाहिए यज़हबानी, वो क्यों नहीं यूज किया गया. तो हमने ये सोचा था कि फिर हम आपसे पूछेंगे. और इसी तरह उस रातु हु में भी नीचे जो है वो फिर उसके अंदर भी था थोड़ा सा, लेकिन चले पहले ये चेक कर लें आप. नंबर 5 जो है, आप क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड माय क्वेश्चन.
No, I understood. إلى أين سيذهب حازم وخالد means
यस.
Hazim and Khalid, where Hazim and Khalid will go, right?
यस.
Okay. And your question is that why we are not using dual, right?
यस. यस.
Okay. I also don't have any idea. Maybe in questions, we are not supposed to use dual. Or else, this is also correct that if we are not using dual here. But I will check that why they didn't use for dual here.
But when we will answer, then we will use the dual or we will use the same. This also we will check, or we say yadhabani when
In
we
the
answer
same
the question.
in the same manner, the way they have asked the question, in the same way we need to answer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I will check this out, that why they didn't give about dual here. because
Okay.
anything else? Only this
No,
one?
yes, I think this one was the main and नंबर 8 में भी हमने बात की थी, लेकिन फिर यही सोचा था कि फैमिली की बात हो रही है तो उसके अंदर भी उन्होंने सयाह दिरु लिखा हुआ है, और मन सयाह दिरु उसरतुहु माहू, who will bring the family with him। तो इसके अंदर भी क्योंकि सिंगल की बात है तो सिर्फ शायद इसलिए उन्होंने सयादिरु लिखा हुआ है, जाहिर है। लेकिन जब हम आंसर देंगे तो क्या हम बोथ के लिए, जब हम बोथ कहेंगे कि बोथ विल ब्रिंग देयर फैमिलीज, तो फिर हम क्या कहेंगे, मतलब उसका आंसर हम क्या देंगे?
What do you think?
बोथ
What
के
is
लिए
the
क्या यूज
meaning of
करेंगे?
what do you think? What is the meaning of this question?
इट मीन्स who will bring his family with him।
Okay, perfect. So, what is your question regarding this question?
The answer will be the both will bring, or we will write Hazim wa Khalid, uh,
Who will?
Sayadarani,
I don't
Ratu।
know. Do you remember the unit? Who will bring?
They both will bring. This is I think इससे पहले वाली भी थी exercise। No, this not this one। I think yes, not this one also। हम तो स्टार्ट में आ गई हैं। It would be Salis होगी। Yes, this one, this one।
Who will bring? Usratuhu ma'ahu. So, both of them, no?
Yes, both।
So, you can say here, Kilahuma Hazimun wa Khalidun sayuhdiru usratuhu ma'ahuma.
किला काफ, वो सिंपल काफ,
Wait a minute.
किला हुमा।
Kilahuma means wo dono, both of them. When we say it in English, na? So it use kilahuma means both of them. Also, we have the answers at the end. Have you checked those answers?
No, we have not।
Yes.
I have not, I have not,
The back side
but
of
I
the
don't
book,
know about Nida।
on the back side of the book, there are answers given. So you also can check there.
Okay,
Kilahuma means both,
okay।
they both of them. Okay.
किला हुमा बोथ ऑफ देम। एंड अगर हम ज्यादा लोगों की बात करेंगे तो फिर हम होम लगाएंगे, या किला
Exactly.
जो है वो बोथ के लिए स्पेसिफिक है?
Yes. Specifically, if we are talking about two people, so we use kilahuma.
ओके,
Okay.
थैंक यू, जज़ाकल्लाह।
What? Shall we move or any other question?
यस यस, जज़ाकल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाह।
Barakallah feek,
We
barakallah.
have still now we have done this exercise, we have to do the next one। So when we will do, then we will definitely ask if
Okay,
there is
you
any
guys
question।
have to practice about those exercises, and also you can go through on the back side of the book and check the answers. And if there would be any confusion like you have asked right now, so you can ask. Okay. All right.
जज़ाकल्लाह, ओके।
Barakallah feek. Read it. Iqra'i.
अलवाहदतुल हादियतुल अशरा, अन्नास वल अमाकिन। अलवाहदा यूनिट नंबर, हादिया टू अशरा, हादिया, हादिया कौन सा बोलने समझ ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा।
11th.
अशरा मीन्स 10।
Al-Hadiyata
ओके
Ashara
ओके
is 11th. 11th. It's not
ओके
11. It's when we say position, 11th. Okay. Unit 11th.
11th, ओके, यस यस।
So it is Al-Hadiyata
यूनिट
Ashara.
11, अन्नासु वल अमाकिन। अन्नासु पीपल एंड प्लेसेस।
Correct.
ओके।
Yes.
अल हिवारुल अव्वल, उन्जुर वस्ता में वाइड। ओके। साबित लिमाजा तरक्तल इराक। हारिस अंतकालत शरीकातु इला जद्दा व अना मुदीर शरीकाती होना। तो इसको सारा ट्रांसलेट करूँ या सारा पढ़ लूँ?
साइड बाय साइड ट्रांसलेट करें।
ओके। साबित, व्हाई यू लेफ्ट इराक? Haris, انطلقت شركتي. The company shifted to Jeddah, and I am the manager of the company there. Here, sorry, here. ثابت كنت سعيدا في العراق. حارث هذا صحيح. العراق بلد جميل ولي أصدقاء هناك. كنت سعيدا في العراق. كنت
Do you
how
remember?
was
We
how was
talked about
you were there?
kana. Kana means was and kunta means were.
Were, yes. You were good in Iraq. It means
You were happy. Were you happy in
happy.
Iraq?
Okay. You were happy.
Yes. You were happy in Iraq.
You were happy in Iraq. He's not asking. He's telling him, or he's saying this.
He is
Okay.
asking
Haris,
basically. So he's asking that तुम वहां पर खुश थे?
okay. उनका सही था फिल इराक. You were happy in Iraq. Haris, هذا صحيح. This is right. العراق بلد جميل. Iraq is a beautiful country. ولي أصدقاء هناك, and mm, uh, هناك there, and I am happy there.
Correct.
ولي أصدقاء هناك. Okay.
वली
साबित
is the
ما
noun
रأيت
होना. Friends भी है ना उधर.
أصدقاء, and ली means ली को क्या कहेंगे?
Li is the noun होना for friends there. He's saying that
And okay.
yeah,
There were friends.
yes.
Okay. साबित ما رأيت في جدة. حارس جدة مدينة كبيرة وجميلة جدا. What you see in Jeddah?
Ma
Right.
Ra'yuka. It's what's
Rayuka.
your
Okay, Raju.
opinion? What's your
Rayuka
opinion?
राय से निकला है यानी. Okay. What is your opinion in Jeddah? Haris, Jeddah, beautiful city. Jeddah is a beautiful city. Jeddah is a big city. Sorry, big city, and very beautiful. साबित कैफा तब्दील वक्त फी जद्दा. इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दें हम दिखने वाले को.
Wait a minute.
कैफा तब्दील वक्त फी जद्दा. हारिस अज़हबु माल उसरती इला शातिल बहर. How you spend your time in Jeddah? Haris, Azhabu, I go with my family to the beach. Sabit, wa ila aina tazhabul an? Haris, Azhabu ila Makkah lil umrati wa salati fil masjid al haram. And ila aina tazhabul an? And where do you go now? Where are you going now? Sorry. Where are you going now? Haris, I am going to Makkah for Umrah and prayer in Masjid al Haram.
Umrah and
साबित कम तस्तगरिको. जी. जी.
okay.
ओके. ओके. साबित कम तस्तगरिको रहलतो इला मक्का. हारिस तस्तगरिको सातन वाहिदतन तकरीबन. when when will you leave? तस्तगरिको
Come
रहलतो.
means when?
Come means how. Sorry. How.
Hmm.
How तस्तगरिको रहलतो इला मक्का. How तस्तगरिको रहलतो is leave to Makkah. When will you leave? और मक्का में तस्तगरिक को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
तस्तगरिकु
हम्म.
we use for like उर्दू में कहते हैं ना कि टाइम जो है वो वक्त गरक हो गया या खत्म हो गया. but in Arabic it's tastaghriqu, like kam
Okay.
tastaghriq, how long would it take to
How
travel?
long?
Yes, how long would
Yes,
it
yes,
take to travel? So rehla jo hai wo
we
travel,
have read in.
how long would it? Tastaghriq means how
Okay,
long would it take? Okay.
how long will it take? Yes, we have read previously also. I remember. Okay, how long will it take to Makkah? Harith, it will take uh, almost uh, an hour.
It takes almost 1 hour.
Okay,
Okay.
takes almost an hour. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. वाहिदा means 1 hour. हम उसकी जगह an use नहीं कर सकते.
What?
मैंने कहा अगर हम बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश में तो हम वन या एन एक साथ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं ना, जैसे हम 1 hour बोल देते हैं या एन आवर बोल देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे वाहिदा में हमने 1 hour ही कहना है. इट इज 1 hour.
Exactly.
ओके.
I hope everything is clear here. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो है ना ये है हाजा सहीहुन अल इराक़ु बलदुन जमीलुन means this is right, in the Iraq is a beautiful country. Wali is diqaun hunak. Here li is using for I have asdiqaun, I have friends there, and I have friends there. Okay. And this new word we have learned today, ra'yu. Ra'yu is opinion. What's your opinion in Jeddah? Okay?
ये उससे वर्ड से मिलता है वो जो आपने उसका बताया था देखने का
Ra'a. वो
पूरा.
है ra'a. See, for see, you are talking about?
यस यस. पूरा.
That is ra'a. Ra'a. This is ra'yu.
ओके. रा.
Yes. In Arabic, there would be even similar words with a very minor difference. You will see the like different meaning they have. Okay.
यस.
Do you know yantaqil?
यंताकिल इज आई शिफ्टेड.
He shifted.
आई
He shifts.
ही
He is
शिफ्टेड.
shifting or
सॉरी.
he shifts. Okay. All
आई
right.
तो अंताकिल होगा.
हाँ,
यंताकिल इज
exactly.
he
Antaqilu.
shifted होनाक देयर. अजदीकन फ्रेंड्स. अब यहाँ पे इन्होंने प्लूरल इस्तेमाल किया है. सिंपल इज सिद्दीक. तो अजदीक जो है वो
Plural
सिद्दीक
है.
की ही प्लूरल है. ओके.
Exactly.
उमरा इज उमरा. सईद हैप्पी. अल बहार इज ओशन और सी. मुदीर शरीकाती कंपनी मैनेजर. रहला लेफ्ट. रहला इज
Safar.
लीविंग लीविंग. जी.
Rehla is safar.
सफर. ओके. रहला इज
See
सफर
here,
एंड मदीना इज.
here kam tastaghriqu rahlatu ila Makkah. Kam means how long. Tastaghriqu, it takes. Okay. How long it takes, or how long would it take to travel to Makkah. So our rehla is
तो हम जर्नी कह
travel.
सकते हैं.
Okay.
ओके. ठीक है. जर्नी बोल सकते हैं. जर्नी या बस ट्रैवल.
Sorry.
हाउ लॉन्ग विल योर जर्नी टू. हाउ लॉन्ग विल बी योर जर्नी टू मक्का. या ट्रैवल टू
Journey
मक्का.
is a little bit different because we usually go by bus, by a car, or by like
स्पेसिफिक
plane.
ट्रैवल.
Long time, a long traveling is called, you can journey. But if I would I would say that in the same city I'm coming to your house, so how much time would it take for having this travel? Okay.
रहला.
Rehla. Okay. Ikrahi.
ओके. लाइस.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. I'm here.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, when did you come? I didn't see.
5 minutes.
Okay, all right.
5 minutes before I
Nida,
joined.
yeah, you can read.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Lais. Min aina hadarat. Samir. Min aina hadarat means
Hadart,
sorry,
Hadarta.
where from Hadarta, where are you? Hadarta is coming. From where are you coming?
Where have you come? From where have you come? Hadarta is
From
past.
where
आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
have
It's past.
you come? Okay. Okay. Where have
From
you
where have
come?
you come?
From where have you come? Okay. Hadartu minal yamini ana yamniya. I came from Yemen and I am Yemeni. Laisa. Wa mata hadarta minal yamin. Mata and which mata is when sorry, when you came from Yemen. Mata is fine. Okay. When you came from Yemen. Samir. Hadartu qabla 10 sanawat. I came qabl before 10 sanawat means 1 year before. No,
Ashra.
10 years
Ashara.
before. 10
10
years
years.
before.
10
Haan.
years ago, yes.
Sorry, 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Right.
Okay. هل معك الجنسية يمينية? Do you have, or you can say معك means معك means do you have na? جنسية يمينية, do you have civil ID or you have ID of Yemen?
Do you have the
Jinsia is if
nationality?
passport. Nationality. Okay. Nationality. Okay, nationality. نعم ومعي جواز السفر اليميني. نعم, yes. I keep means I have. Maya is along with you, na? With you.
Yes.
So with me, jawaz is passport. Safar yamini.
Jawaz
I have
al-Safar is passport.
passport. Jawaz al-Safar means I have Yemeni passport. Nice. هل حضرت للعمل? Do you
Did you?
العمل? Did you حضرت is
Did you come?
العمل to work है.
See, Hadarta is showing
know-
that it is past. Okay.
नहीं,
And hal we
حضرت
use
ठीक.
for the hal we use for the particular answers the
Okay, fine.
come with the yes or no. But here
Did
this is the past sentence. So Hadarta is
للعمل is work na. للعمل is work na. So
yes, yes.
did حضرت للعمل means did you come from work? Did you come from work? ऐसे ही है?
Or did you come for work?
Did you come for work?
Or
Okay.
have you
For
come
work.
for work?
Okay, have you come for work? Okay. لا حضرت للدراسية.
Dirasa.
No, I came to teach or study.
I
Daras.
came for study. Li means for.
Darasiya is okay. I came
Dirasa.
for study. Darasa. Okay. وبعد الدراسة تزوجت. And after study تزوجت, I will marry.
I married.
After study I ये तज़व्वजतु fast होगा teacher?
Hadartu is showing that we are talking about past.
नहीं तज़व्वजतु ये past होगा?
Yes. Tazawwajtu.
Okay.
It's
आखिर में
past.
तू है ना.
I married. Okay, ठीक है ना?
Married.
I married.
Yes.
ठीक है. You I married होगा, you married होगा.
I married. I got
तज़व्वज.
married. After
अच्छा ठीक है ना?
studies,
Okay.
I got married.
I got one. Okay. ليس وماذا تعمل هنا? And what work do you do there? هنا there.
And what do you
Am
work?
I right?
Or what are you working? Now it's Fele Mudare.
What you work
And what do you
there?
work here?
هنا is here.
Yes.
هناك is there. Okay. Fine. Okay. What do you work here? أنا أستاذ في الجامعة. I am a teacher in the university. هل تزور اليمين؟
Yaman.
Yemen. Okay. هل تزور اليمن? Do تزور means teacher?
Visit karna.
Okay. تزور is visit. Okay. Do you تزور is past? I think so. Have you visited Yemen?
Is it the
It
pattern
is past.
that it looks past?
हाँ, because it ra के ऊपर पेश है, तो it seems
No,
like it is.
no. Past pattern
No.
is different. Ta should be in end, at the end.
Okay, okay, okay.
A part of
Tazar,
he or
ta-
he. Yes.
tazaru. Do
Azuru,
you
Tazuru, Yazuru, Tazurina, Yazuru.
visit Yemen?
Yes.
Do you visit Yemen? نعم, yes. عقدي أطلت مع الأسرة في اليمن. I spend my holidays along with my family in Yemen. ليس هل أنت سعيد هنا? Do you मतलब are you happy here? Are you
Yes.
happy here? تامر نعم والحمد لله. Yes, I am. I am blessed, or alhamdulillah, I am happy here.
Perfect.
Mm.
Okay. So here also we did some new vocabulary. Let me tell you. Tarakta we already did it. Intaqalat also. New word is this. Ra'yu. Ra'yuka is opinion. What's your opinion? Okay.
Mm.
And here multiple words are over here. So if we memorize this vocabulary, so automatically we understand that how can we make sentences. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Make sentences, Zainab.
What the pillow exercise, Tadri?
Ustaz, make a sentence.
Stars. Okay. أستاذ أستاذ يذهب إلى المدرسة.
إلى المدرسة.
إلى المدرسة. Okay.
Okay. يتزوج ندى.
يتزوج means I'm married. يتزوج, he is married.
He is getting
Am I
married.
right? He is getting married. Okay, يتزوج. Teacher, he is getting married is present में consider होगा या future में consider होगा?
It's
He is
present
getting
tense.
married.
It's present tense.
Present में consider. Okay, fine. Okay. My brother is getting married. So brother is أخي يتزوج in hall क्या कहेंगे? My brother is getting married in the hall. और नहीं, my brother is getting married
It makes
in
sentence.
नहीं,
My brother is getting
get
married with his
after.
friend's sister.
Okay, fine. أخي يتزوج with एक मिनट. अब along with का एक मिनट मुझे देखने दीजिए एक मिनट. With is مع सही. हाँ, my أخي يتزوج مع with my friend's sister. My friend's Sidi,
His friend's sister. With his
his
friend's
friends.
sister.
His friend is Siddiqa who, and sister is أخت. صديقة أخت صديقة friends أخت. Am I right? His
أخي يتزوج. All right.
مع
his friend. Okay. معه his friend's sister.
معه
صديقه أخته. معه صديقه
أخته. अच्छा,
his,
with के साथ भी आप
sorry,
आप with के साथ मतलब माँ के साथ भी हम who लगा रहे हैं.
with his, मैंने ये बोला ना, with his friend's sister means friend की sister, friend की sister है ना, तो सदीकुहु my friends with my,
أخته.
yes, with my sister's friend,
Okay.
with my friend's sister.
Mahu Sadiquhu
his
Sadiquhu
friend sister,
and
his friend sister.
his तो Sadiqahu हो गया ना his.
Wait. See,
तो सिद्दीक को
when
हु ही बता रही है ना
I
टीचर,
yes,
जल्दी
I
करिए।
told that
हम्म
my brother.
हम्म हम्म
एक second.
एक मिनट में
Brother is getting married
brother is getting married
with his friend's sister.
with his
Okay. So अब now
friend.
أخي
हाँ
يتزوج
अखी हाँ
معها with his friend's sister. So
माँ
معها صديقه أخته. معها होगा because with a girl na with sister with his sister.
माहा
معها
माहा
صديقه
हाँ
أخته.
صديقه أخته. अच्छा أخي يتزوج معها صديقه أخته. Okay. معها with. Okay. तो
All right.
friend's sister. Okay teacher.
Okay, Zainab.
Okay teacher.
Okay. Yes, Yazur. It means he visits. He visits.
Now,
Um, Hamza Yazur إلى المستشفى أن أرى أمي. يعني Hamza is visiting the hospital to see his mother.
to see his mother.
See his mother. His mother तो उम्मी नहीं, sorry, उम्मुहु, sorry, एंड में उम्मुहु होगा.
So Hamza يزوره إلى المستشفى
إلى المستشفى أن أرى
أن أرى.
أن أرى. Okay. أن أرى
أن يرى.
أمه.
Sorry, يرى. أرى means I see. أن يرى
Okay.
is
أن يرى أمه.
أمه. Perfect. Correct. Yes, Nida.
जवाज़ सफर. Okay. First I'll tell in English. My passport is getting expired. आप expired की अरबी बता दो मुझे. After 10 days. After 10 days. Okay, my passport is getting expired after 10 days. So जवाज़ सफरी getting expired की अरबी मुझे नहीं आती. जवाज़ सफरी या मैं कहती हूँ my passport.
इसको यहाँ पे ये बता रहे हैं असलाहिया, बट ये अभी छोड़ दें because I also don't know about it.
अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. अच्छा मैं कुछ इजी सा कर लेती हूँ कि जवाज़ो सफर ये नहीं. माय पासपोर्ट इज पाकिस्तानी. सो जवाज़ो सफरी.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ही बनाएं, बट ये कि whatever we have done so far, those vocabulary should
अच्छा
be.
उससे चलो ठीक है. ओके ओके. जवाज़ो सफर पासपोर्ट. आप टीचर आप थोड़ा
You
गाइड
can
कर दें
say
मुझे.
I left my passport, or I forgot my passport at home
हाँ
at home 10 hours ago.
ओके. तरक तू जवाज़ सफरी. लेफ्ट तो यही है ना. तरक तू ही होगा ना यहाँ पे.
Yes.
जवाज़ो सफरी. आपने क्या बोला इंग्लिश में. आई लेफ्ट माई पासपोर्ट.
I left my
10
passport at
10
home.
आवर. हाँ एट होम. तरक्तु जवाज़ो सफरी. एक
Till
एक मिनट. नहीं नहीं टीचर मैं जो नहीं जो हमारे वो है ना एक जो वर्ड्स हैं वो फी अलबैत 10 hours before. قبل الساعة 10.
قبل 10 ساعات.
قبل 10 ساعات. ओके. قبل 10 ساعات. हाँ सही है. ओ क्लॉक के लिए 10 hours before. قبل 10 ساعات.
نعم.
I
Yes.
left my passport. नहीं टीचर नहीं, मैं वो लिख रही हूँ अपने पास
Okay, yes, Zainab.
passport.
जिंसिया.
One thing I want to ask, Qabla Ashratu Saatin means 10 hours before.
10 hours
Yes.
ago. Yes, before. Saat. Saat
yeah,
means घंटे. 10 घंटे
Ashra.
पहले.
Sa-
Saat is plural.
Jinsiya.
Saat is singular.
Saatin.
Okay.
Qabla Ashra.
Saatin. Okay. And alif के साथ फिर ता
Yes. Ain
के
alif
दो
a. Saatin.
आते हैं. Okay. The next word is jinsiya.
Yes.
jinsiya. अब इसमें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थोड़ा सा जुमला कैसे बनेगा jinsiya.
My nationality is
means
Pakistani.
nationality.
हाँ, my nationality is Pakistani, but I stay in Saudi Arabia or I stay in any other country. आप ये कर लो.
Okay. My nationality is Pakistani. Ana jinsiyatu
I
al-Pakistani.
have the Pakistani nationality. So how would you say?
I have li jinsiyatu Pakistan al-Pakistani. यही होगा.
Yes.
I have Pakistani nationality. li jinsiyatu al-Pakistani. Lakin I stay.
I live in Saudi.
I live. Okay. Askunu lakin askunu fi Saudi Al Arabia. यही होगा.
No. Okay. Okay, Nida, now your turn. Qabla Ba'da.
Qabl and Ba'da. Okay.
Class is going to be finished, so after expiring the session, again join. I will share different link.
Okay, ठीक है. Qabl is teacher. Qabl and Ba'd दोनों इस्तेमाल करने.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I left the house 5 hours before. Then after